Okay, so here is a self-bill to landlord, right? One of the famous topic, right? So now, Mari Sandebaha, right, rented a new office space, right? There are three owners. One is Bala, Raja, and Mala, right? So now, um, and the company understand that the three individual do not conduct businesses. So in this case, what we do, right? Mari going to issue self-bill invoice to these three person, right? So yes, issue self invoice to these three person, right? So the self-bill invoice is that it will act as a suppliers and issue the self-bill invoice. Okay, so now here is the question. Now the tenancy agreement stated that the owner rents the property to the directors at 9,000. All right. So tenancy agreement stated the owner rent the property to the director at 9,000. So that means that the owner rent a shop lot to the directors 9,000. Okay. Now the directors rents it back to the company at the same rate of 9,000. Ah, so said that the owner. So there is an owner rent the property to the directors. So owner can be a owner ABC, right? So now rent the properties out to directors. So then the directors rent to the company DEF. Okay. So because that it says that the directors doesn't earn any income from the arrangement. The question is, can the company issue a self-bill invoice right to the owner ABC? Can it be? Right. So you see that the tenancy agreement, right, is between the directors and the company DEF. So the director is the one renting the properties to the company. So who earns the income from this agreement, right, is that the directors. So under the tax law, pass-through rental is still considered income. So that LHN knows that this director has an income, right, rental income. So so the next one is that, can you issue an invoice to someone not directly involved in the transaction? No, right, because the invoice must issue to or by the party involved in the immediate transaction. So as the company, your legal obligation is to issue a self-bill invoice to the director. All right. So but again, right, in the in SQL, right, it's easy to do that, right? Just issue a self-bill invoice. Okay, good. So you can create a supplier, right, and then choose a supplier invoice, and then choose a new one. I guess will be here. Notes. Nope. All right. Self-bill invoice, right? You can see that here that I have self-bill invoice. Okay, great. Self-bill invoice. Okay, so that will be it can be a purchase, right? This can be a purchase, right? So you're gonna purchase the services, right? So we just go here. So purchase, new, and then here you can use the where you can purchase invoices, right? So purchase is here. So I go over here, choose purchase. Okay, so suppliers. Yeah, so you just go to purchase, right? And then you say purchase invoices, and then choose a new one, and then you gotta make some payment, right? So it can be well, okay, so then there's a more item, and you can choose here that submission type should be self-bill. Yeah, or maybe say this is items under. But for these cases, you cannot be consolidated because it's considered business income. Right? So a self-bill will be good, right? So just enter the item there, right? So what are you billing to, right? So this is it, right? So we can choose the suppliers. So a landlord is a suppliers, right? You can just choose item there here, and then use it, or you can create a new landlord items, right? And then say that this is a landlord, right? So landlord, of course you can't put there landlord, right? You just put there as the person name, and then choosing in the description you can put there as the landlord. So you can say that LCY or the full name, right? And then you can just go to the notes here and then say it's a landlord, right? So for December, and yeah, that's it. And you can save it. Then you have a suppliers, and then you can create a self-bill invoice, right? And from there, let's say just here, okay? Just close this here, and now we just look for LCY, and you can have say I want to purchase an item, right? So that could be a oh, for in that case, right? You have a new item called what do you call that? A rental, right? Yeah. Okay. So that is it. How do you go to the let's say suppliers, right? So thank you.